Hey guys, Dr. Cosentino here, President of Empire Medical Training, and I'm here with Dr. Chris Croley, my good friend. He's our Chief Medical Officer. He's a practice owner. In fact, he has several medical spas in Florida and Alabama. He's also a world-renowned, I can say this because I'm who I am, world-renowned speaker. So he speaks and of course does a lot with Empire Medical Training, but he speaks all around the world, not just the country anymore. And of course on topics, procedures, and aesthetics. Thank
But
you for being here.
one of the things I've learned from you, though, is about business, right? And so we teach all these procedural skills here, and that's where I started my aesthetic career. But really, business is an area that a lot of medical providers struggle with. And we've developed this whole business academy here at Empire Medical Training that we've really been refining and adding courses to over the last couple of years. And we're excited to announce even more expansion of that this year.
Absolutely. In fact, from our director of marketing, we learned that the number one pain point for all our practitioners coming in, and I was kind of surprised to hear that, is not how to learn the actual procedure. You would think, I thought we were going to get an answer like, the mixing of the product or something like that. But the answer that they gave us was how to transition from what they're currently doing into this new career. It's a legitimate question. It's something that is concerning because there's so many different things that you really need to do. As many of you know, we have an entire curriculum. We have a business academy, but we're doing something a little new. We have an entire academy that's specifically designed for the practitioner who's transitioning. This is the transitional practitioner. It's an entire boot camp. It's a 10-part program, and these are live courses. You don't need to attend an actual workshop live. We have those too, and that's part of the advanced series. But for this, it's a virtual program, but it is live. So you're interacting with the instructor, you're asking questions, they're answering back. Some of the topics are the aesthetics career transition. So how to transition, some of the steps that you need to transition, legal and licensing issues. So, right, think about all the legal things that you need to
So
know
many
about.
things that I struggled with, and I know a lot of practice owners struggle with, right? What are the compliance? What are the legal issues? And this is a 10-part live streamed series. So you can learn this from the convenience for you. You don't have to travel. It's a progressive series. So you can join it. Any part will cover 10 different topics, starting at the very basic, the transition point. But one of the ones that we've decided to include with every course. So we're going to include this whether you're taking a beginning pain course, learning Botox or filler 101,
Functional medicine.
functional medicine, all those courses, we're going to incorporate this pricing and profitability class, and it's going to be part of our required ones, and it's part of this boot camp. It's one part of the 10-part series, but we're going to include that now for free with all of our courses.
It's so important. So as you may or may not know, when you take any course, you've got prerequisite materials that you have to watch when you're at home. These include very specific videos. So one of the videos is going to be one of these topics that we're taking from the boot camp, and it's an introductory. It's more of a beginner course because if you're taking a level 1 neurotoxin, you're obviously a beginner. So this is going to help you with the transition. But the first topic that we have in this entire boot camp is for the person who's transitioning, the aesthetics career, mapping your exit from traditional medicine. And then another entire course is legal essentials that you need to know. Another course is how to start this new career while you're still working somewhere else.
Yeah,
So
I think
that I
that's
know
really,
that's
really hard and challenging because people think, where do I get the money? I still have to, pay my bills, put food on my table, and I'm a little scared if I'm going to have success as an entrepreneur. And we want to give you that confidence. We want to give you the skill set, and so we will tell you just the exact steps that you need to take to still work your traditional job and start this at the same time. So by the time you're ready to transition to this full time, you are fully prepared. You have all the tools, all of the metrics necessary, and you learn. How quickly will I make money? How difficult is this for me to succeed? How do I get patients into that chair in front of me? Those are all the things that we're including in this amazing boot camp that we've developed.
it's just interesting that our teachers, who is going to present this information, these are the type of teachers. These are not just theoretical. Dr. Chris Croley, of course, he's lived that. He's done that transition from his prior, you were, of course,
Anesthesia critical care.
anesthesia, critical care. So he went from that to this. He started as a student, like anybody. You have to start somewhere and you continue progressing. So now he has very, very successful medical spas. So he's going to help you eliminate those steps that took him a long time to figure out. So it's basically giving you the shortcuts.
And a lot of our students are out there and they're thinking, I don't even know about being a business owner quite yet. I want to learn this and I want to work for someone in a med spa. And this is great for them as well because they need to understand how to price products, how to build a social media presence, how
Oh,
to
very,
negotiate
very
contracts and
important.
work for a med spa. They have no idea where to even start negotiating a salary. And so these are some of the things that we're including in this boot camp that we've developed. Is all of those things is a 10-part series where they can get those tips and pearls, whether they want to develop their own practice and work for themselves and really build their own successful, thriving multi-location practice, or whether they say, hey, I love my job, but I want to know how to make myself attractive to be an employee at
Oh,
a med spa.
that's so important. We're not just teaching you how to build your own medical spa. Not everybody wants to do that. There are plenty of practitioners, whether you're a nurse practitioner, a PA, a physician, that work for a medical spa, and they've negotiated very good contracts. They're not just getting paid hourly, they're getting percentages, they're getting different rates and so forth. So how to negotiate that, very, very important. So we have a whole course just on that alone.
And I can tell you, it makes somebody, a potential employee, very attractive to me if they come in with some business training, some business knowledge.
Oh,
Because if they understand how this works, they're going to be able to help me scale my practice, and I'm going to be able to reward them for that, right? And so that's what I'm looking for, other than just basic training. I can
okay.
provide the skill
Okay.
set training, but if they come to me and they have something on their resume where they have some business background, business knowledge, just the things that we're offering in this boot camp, that makes it a very attractive employee to me.
Yeah, they understand the whole picture.
Correct.
So for those people that are just starting to out in any of these things, the main point is it's more than just learning the medical procedure. That's part of it. And I always try to say this: you could be the best doctor, you could be the best nurse, and it's not enough to be successful. You need to have that information, but you also have to have what we're calling the business skills, the business acumen. You have to have that kind of training and that kind of knowledge. There's a whole curriculum: how to attract your first 100 patients, how to market, understanding what a KPI is, understand the importance of blogs. There's so much to
How to
it. But
negotiate contracts with vendors, how to
of
choose
course,
which vendor
of
to
course.
work with. All of those things is incredibly important. So we hope you'll join us at this boot camp. It's going to be really exciting, rewarding. I guarantee you, you won't regret taking these courses. This 10-part series will definitely put you in a better place, regardless of where you end up in your aesthetic career. Okay, guys, we look forward to seeing you at these live stream courses. Dr. Cosentino and myself will be teaching a lot of these courses along with our other expert faculty. I assure you, you don't want to miss out on this.
We're going to have a great faculty, and can't wait to see you guys and hear your questions. And I think you'll really enjoy it.
We'll see you soon.